Hey, the long holiday weekend is the kickoff to summer and the kickoff to hot dogs, burgers, and apple pie. So here to help those who love hot dogs and burgers but can't decide which one to have first at the cookout is Thomas of POV Foods, who's introducing us to their new hot dog burger. But you're introducing us to burgers in general here, Thomas.
All the burgers.
So I like this. This is really cool. This is all from Lakeside and also from Rusty Spur.
Rusty Spur, and, the Red, White, and Blues in Mason, Prescott, and then Bill's Grill, which also is in Prescott.
Yeah,
as well.
This is awesome. All right, let's talk about the burgers we have here. What do we got down here?
So that's going to be our State Fair burger. 2 quarter-pound patties, American cheese melted all over it, smothered in a beer cheese with deep-fried jalapeno medallions.
Oh my gosh! And of course, to make it a little healthy, are those sweet potato fries?
Sweet potato fries.
There you go. I like it on a pretzel bun.
Pretzel bun.
So, and where's this one located?
That's going to be at Bill's Grill.
Oh, I guess I got to make a little journey up there. Okay, let's go over here. What do we have here?
So this is the burger for our Red, White, and Brew locations, both in Mesa and Prescott. They're going to be offering this on Tuesday, the 28th, National Burger Day. But that's going to be the American Wagyu burger.
Ooh, Wagyu.
So, it's going to come with lettuce, tomato, a half-pound flame-grilled Wagyu burger with a creamy Havarti cheese and the red wine caramelized onions and garlic aioli.
I like it. Okay, you just literally, before you came on, blew my mind. Because I only know the Rusty Spur starting around maybe 6 o'clock, a little, around there, going until later on having cocktails and music. But I didn't know you guys serve food there too. Yeah, I didn't know that.
It's been like that for some time.
And this is one of the burgers you serve there. What is this?
That's Rusty's famous chili cheeseburger.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
So half-pound burger as well with house-made chili and a nacho cheese and cheddar on the burger.
So what time can you start eating at the Rusty Spurs?
As soon as they open.
Really?
Yeah.
And what time do you guys usually close the kitchen up?
Around like 3, 4.
So I could do lunch there and stay.
Yeah.
Oh, field trip, Brad. All right.
Field trip, Brad.
Okay, now this is what was very interesting here. What are we making here and where did this all come from?
So when you think Memorial Day, what do you think? Barbecues, right?
Out there.
So this is going to be the All-American Barbecue Burger. This is going to be at Lakeside, both on Memorial Day as well as National Burger Day on the 27th, 28th. But I thought, you got hot dogs, you got hamburgers. Why not put them under one bun?
Exactly. I don't know which one to have first. I don't know what to do. What do we happen? So, okay, we're going to make one of these.
So we're going to start with the grilled onions on the bottom. I took the liberty to put that on there.
Yep.
And then we're going to layer.
Oh, okay.
We're going to layer the hot dog.
All right. Hot dog first.
Then we're going to put a burger patty.
Okay.
I'm going to put a slice of cheese.
Oh.
Then we're going to put another hot dog.
Oh, look at you. You are so bad. Thomas, you are so bad. Is there a certain way we should put it, or does it matter?
Dealer's choice.
Okay, there you go. And another patty?
Another patty, another slice of cheddar cheese there.
Oh, cheese for, what'd you put?
You keep going with the cheese.
Keep going with the cheese?
Yep, keep going with the cheese.
Oh, where's that? Because you put, okay.
It's okay, Brad.
All right, there we go. All right, I'm making sure. Okay, and
then the crispy onion straws on top. To top this burger cake amalgamation of deliciousness.
And then, And then
we're
next?
Gonna put some barbecue sauce.
Oh, there you go. Go ahead and throw it on there for me. Also, I love that you guys have the beer there also, too, from local and from all over.
Yep.
For people to enjoy that are all ready to go.
Yep.
For people, and all set, and there we have it. And then just top it.
Top her up.
There it is. And my understanding is that on Memorial Day, there are no calories, nothing to worry about in that sandwich, right?
No, it's an extended weekend.
I love it. All right, tell them all the different locations that POV Food has. It is?
Red, White, and Brew in Mesa and Prescott. We have Bill's Grill in Prescott as well.
Yep.
32 Shea in Phoenix.
Yes.
Rusty Spur in Old Town Scottsdale. And then Lakeside and Peoria.
There you go. And you can enjoy all the burgers and food at all those places, of course, for Memorial Day and for National Burger Day on Tuesday, 28th.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Thomas.
All right.
A little elbow there.
Yeah.
Stick around. We got more of the mix coming up after this.